Okay, this is the HTML document wherein your project is based. Okay, here is the main. I'll run this. Okay, this is the output. Okay, this HTML document has 3 frames, 1, 2, and 3. For the right side, the left side, and from the top side. Okay, let's see on my code, the top. Now if I run this top, okay, this is the top. Now look at my output. Now that's the top. Then this the menu. If I run this, okay, this is the menu. Now look at my code. Now this is the menu. The next, the target. Okay, that's it, the target. As you can see, that is the target. Now after that, these are the 3 frames or frame that compose the main HTML. Now next, let's move forward on our links here. Right, about me.html. When I click this, it will create the output here. Now look at my code. Okay, here I have here ahref, the personal info, h.html. Okay, that's it. From here, personal info.html. This is the personal info.html. Now, target, labas. Now, as you can see, you can read target, labas. Let's go back here at the main.html. My target.html, its name is labas. So every time I click here, it will create the output here to the target.html. This is target.html. This is the menu.html, and this is the top.html. Okay, as you can see here, even on the title, you can see the title. Now next, the pics, home, and the fave.html. So if you click this, and this, that's it. Simple. Okay, done. That's it.